Hey everyone, I'm Woodplank and I'm very excited to announce that my Minecraft animation course is finally available and you can now get it via the first link in the description. Now, I've been working on this course for about 3 months. I put everything you need to know about creating Minecraft animations from start to finish, and if you purchase it and if you level up your animations and your content, I will be very happy about that. So in this video, I quickly want to walk you through the course content and what you will get. So first of all, a quick word about me. I am Woodplank and I've been making Minecraft animations and Blender tutorials for many years, and I have decided to put all of my knowledge into one detailed, super comprehensive and step-by-step course, which is going to be 12+ hours long. So, chapter 1 will be an introduction to the course. After that, we're going to jump straight into chapter 2, which is all about the basics and fundamentals of Blender. We're going to cover the absolute essentials you need for Minecraft animations, from navigation, modeling and texturing, to lighting, and of course, animation. First, you'll learn the basics of animation, and then we'll move to chapter 3, where we take a deep dive into animation. Here, we'll explore keyframes, keyframe interpolation, timeline, and proper animation workflows. Then we'll take all that knowledge and create our first animation, this cute bouncing slime you see on the screen here. You'll get comfortable with the graph editor as well. Don't worry, it's not scary as it sounds. It's actually going to be pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You're going to learn to loop the animations, smooth them out, and even animate your first character, starting with the idle breathing and then with the jump. After that, we're going to jump into chapter 4, which is going to be about advanced animation techniques. We'll break down walk cycles step by step, make them smooth, and loop them seamlessly. Then I will introduce you to my standard animation library, and I will show you practical ways of applying it and saving many hours in your production. Once you've got your animation skills locked in, we'll switch gears into chapter 5 for cinematic storytelling. We're going to take a brief break from Blender and we're going to talk about cinematic storytelling. We're going to talk about things like camera angles, the 180-degree rule, cinematic shot composition, camera movements, and adding the subtle filmic effects that make your animations look more professional and make them feel more appealing. Then in chapter 6, we'll put everything together and create a full Minecraft animation from start to finish, the one you see on the screen right now. You will learn my complete workflow, from pre-production and asset preparation to building your world, optimizing your scene, lighting the environment, lighting the characters, animating the characters and other objects, adding the final polish like the wind, camera shake, cinematic lighting tweaks, and much more. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a fully rendered, polished Minecraft animation you can proudly share and upload to your channel or any other platform. And finally, in chapter 7, we'll take that animation and make it even better, which means we're going to edit it and we're going to learn some video editing and post-production. We will cover sound design, and I will tell you great places to get free music and sound effects. Then we will cover thumbnail creation and we will create this cool thumbnail for the animation. Then we will cover SEO, titles, and uploading so that your work gets the attention it deserves. So there's something for everyone inside the course, no matter if you're a complete beginner and you've never opened Blender before, or you're a seasoned veteran, or you're intermediate and you've opened Blender before many times. It doesn't matter. I'm sure you will get something inside this course because there's a lot of content and you will learn a lot of things about animation, modeling, texturing, lighting, storytelling, cinematic storytelling, and stringing everything together using Blender. The course will have everything inside Blender, which is a free open source software, but you can take that knowledge after finishing this course and apply it to other 3D software or even other video editing software as well, because we're going to cover video editing briefly there as well. So that's what you will get inside the course, and keep in mind that I will add more updates in the future, and if you buy the course right now, you will get all the future updates for free. One cool bonus you will get as well is if you join the course, you're going to get the standard animation library, which normally costs $10, but if you enroll inside this course, you will get that animation library for free, because we're going to use that to create one large animation, which is going to be 30 seconds too long. So that was the course review, and I'm very excited to see you in there. I'm very excited to see what you will create. Feel free to post your results either in the comments of the course, or you can also join my Discord and post your results there. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description, grab a copy, and I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get started.